Okay, so Breanna, this is number 2, and we've got our Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius equation, and then Celsius to Kelvin, Kelvin to Celsius equation. And it says convert 70 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so we're just going to use this equation because we're going Celsius to Fahrenheit. So I copy, oh, no, sorry. Here's where I copy that equation down. But I forgot. First, I wanted to say that the 70 with a decimal point means that we have 2 significant figures. So remember, we've got 3 kinds of zeros. We've got leading zeros, captive zeros, and trailing zeros. Leading zeros never, ever, ever count. Captive zeros always, always, always count. And then trailing zeros count if there's a decimal, but if there's no decimal, then they don't count. So this is a trailing zero. It has a decimal, so it does count. So this is 2 significant figures, and we'll need that when we get to the end. Okay, so here is our Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius formula. And I'm going to put the 70 degrees in here with the Celsius. So now its Fahrenheit is 1.8 times 70 plus 32. So order of operations says that I multiply and divide before I add and subtract. So I'm going to multiply these 2, and that gives me 126. And then I add the 32, that gives me 158. And then I need 2 significant figures, so I count 1, 2, and then I look to the right to see if the 5 is going to stay a 5 or go up to 6. And because 8 is 5 or greater, this goes up to 6. And I get 160 degrees Fahrenheit. And this has 2 significant figures, because this 0 is a trailing 0 and there's no decimal, so it doesn't count.